Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to give you guys just a quick little heads up. There is another video going up today, but I wanted to let you guys know that today is the day of my surgery, May 21st. So not like actually right now, but today is the day. So I wanted to let you guys know because I'm not going to be answering comments or anything probably for a few days, and then even after that it might be less than normal, just because if you've had surgery, you know you're going to be out of it. It's a whole experience, and I'll be in the hospital for probably I think 3 days. I'm having my knee replacement. I had a partial replacement in 2016. This is the full one, so I'm assuming that's going to be about the same, but I have filmed 2 weeks worth of videos, so I have them ready for you guys. It's going to be every other day, but I just don't know how active I will be in the comment section, so I just want you guys to know that I love you. I appreciate all your support, and I look forward to getting back to my usual grind with hopefully no limp and a better knee. But again, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Any well wishes, know that I am seeing them. I thank you. I appreciate you. Even if I don't respond, I see you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, which is going to be uploaded right after this, and all the content that I have going up in the next 2 weeks. I busted my butt, you guys. I was filming so much. But I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.